Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 1. Question number 1 you see is using laws of exponents simplify and write the answer in exponential form. 7. Question number 7 is a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. 8. 3 to the power 4 to the power 3. 9. 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3. And 8 to the power 8 to the power 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. Right? Let us find. The first one is question number 7 is 8 to the power 4. Here you see that question number 7. Question number 7 is given as a to the power 4 into b to the power 4 into b to the power 4. We can use the formula that a to the power m. It is this formula that is a to the power a to the power m, a to the power m into b to the power m. Here you see what is the difference. Here you see base are different but exponents are same, right? That means you can write, if the exponents are same, we can write a into b, a into b to the power m. You can write this formula and use this formula here. Here you see that the base are different but the exponents are same, right? Therefore, we can write here as a into b to the power 4 applying this formula. A into b to the power 4 applying this formula. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Question number 8 you see here is 3 to the power 4 to the power 3. We can use another formula. The formula is a to the power here, that is a to the power in bracket a to the power m to the power n. It can be written as a to the power m into n, a to the power m into n. You can use this formula. Therefore, we can write here as 3 to the power 3 to the power 4 into 3. That becomes 3 to the power 4 3 is 12. 3 to the power 12. That is question number 8. Now question number 9. Question number 9 you see here is question number 9 is question number 9. Here is 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15. 2 to the power 15 in bracket into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. We'll use this formula here that a to the power m, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that will be equal to a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is a to the power n, and that will be equal to a to the power m minus n. We'll apply this formula, right? And here you see that we can write here as 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15. That means it will be subtracted. It is division. Therefore, it will be 2 to the power in bracket 2 to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. Therefore, you can write here as 2 to the power 20 minus 15 is 5 into 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. If the base are same, therefore you can use this formula a to the power m. That is, use this formula, that's a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power n. That is equal to a to the power m plus n equal to a to the power m plus n. We'll apply this formula here. Then we are getting 2 to the power 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, and then you are getting 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 8, right? That is question number 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10 you see here is, question number 10 is 8 to the power t, 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. Now we will apply this formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m minus n. We will apply this formula, therefore we are getting 8 to the power 8 to the power t, since the division, that is t minus 2. We will get 8 to the power t minus 2. Applying this formula, that a to the power m by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Also press the notification bell, and so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.